welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to be propagating this Pilea Peperomioides. That's always giving me trouble pronouncing that. But this Pilea I got probably about a month ago from Hirt's Gardens. You probably saw the unboxing of it along with some other plants that I got. And it has grown so much. It already came with this little baby on the side here, but that little baby has really grown, and it's even growing more little babies right there. But it also has a lot of new growth in the center here, you can see. So it's doing really well. I have it in a north-facing window, very bright north-facing window, and it seems to really like it there. I do have it amongst other plants that I missed every couple of days, so that it seems to like also. And I water it about once a week, checking the soil to make sure that it's not too damp. This is one of those plants where you don't want to keep it too dry, you don't want to keep it too wet, so you have to kind of check on it. But like I said, today we're going to be taking this little guy out, and we'll be potting him up in his own little pot. Now you can propagate it in water propagation and let the roots develop, but I'm going to check to see once I get him out to see if he may already have a fair amount of roots, and that will help him get started in putting him in some soil to begin with. So let's go ahead and get started. Here I have a pair of these little scissors. These are actually sewing for sewers to cut little stitches, but I like it because it has a good handle and you know, very narrow tip where I can get into places. So I have cleaned them off, and for this we're just going to be pulling away at the soil. Now, one way you can do this is by taking the whole plant out and then separating and cutting down where this connects to the mother plant. But I really don't want to do that because I don't want to set these little guys here. So I'm just going to kind of push away the dirt, being careful with these other leaves around it. And you can see already that I can see already that there are some roots even right here. So just want to pull some dirt away. I can see where it starts to go into the mother plant. And I'm just going to put scissors right in there. Make that cut. And there it is. And you can see that it does have a few little roots there. See, it's already developing. Here you can see the curve where it was already going into the mother plant. So I am going to go ahead and pot this little guy up in his own little terracotta pot, and I'll show you once I'm done. Okay, so I've gone ahead and put this little guy in his own pot here. It is a terracotta pot, and I did put some rooting hormone on the very tip where I cut to help that take a hold in the new soil. I did water the mother plant about 2 days ago, so this is well nourished with water. I'm not going to water it today because of that freshly cut stem there. I'm going to wait a couple of days and then I'll give it a good drink of water. But this will do just marvelous in this little pot. And one of the great things about this Pilea is you may know it also as the pay it forward plant, where it gives off so many pups that you can cut them and give them away. So once this takes root and it gets a little bigger, I'll be looking to see who I can give this away to. I'm coming upon close to hitting 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so maybe I'll do a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers and give this little guy away to somebody that will give it a good home. And the mummy plant will continue to give off pups. She's already got 2 right there that are doing well, and they've got some time in there with her before I even think about propagating them, but they're gonna do really well, both of them, and they'll go back into the window where I had them with the same care and regimen. Hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Thanks so much for visiting with me today. If you enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up. That helps me so much. And if you do have this plant and have propagated it, let me know how you did with it. Did you do a water propagation? Did that seem to work out better for you? Or did you do like I did and go ahead and place it directly into the soil? I'd love to know how your propagation went. Thanks so much, friends, for visiting. Have a